Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Video number 1. What is freelancing and how can you make money with it? What is it? Any person working on their own can be considered self-employed or a freelancer, offering their services and performing tasks for other people, receiving payment without an employment contract. The dictionary defines a freelancer as the person whose activity lies in the execution of works in their own area, trade, or profession, independently for others who need their services for certain tasks. Generally, the gain is in the function of the result instead of the time spent, without any need of continuing the relationship beyond the completed work. The origin of the word derives from the medieval English term used for a mercenary. Free equals independent, and lance equals spear, i.e. a knight who served no particular lord and whose services could be rented by anyone. Around 1860, this phrase was considered a figurative noun, and was then officially recognized as a verb in 1903 by the Oxford Dictionary. Only in modern times has the term mutated into a noun, a freelance or a freelancer, and an adverb. How do you make money with it? The ways in which you can offer and get jobs as a freelancer are numerous and varied. It is advisable to consider the following. 1. Study the types of jobs offered for freelancers and decide what kind of job you are committed to doing. Study your skills and get to know the resources which you possess. 2. So that your business has the best chance of success, you must define your type of client. You should concentrate on knowing the customers you intend to work with, gender, age, needs, and the purchasing frequency of your target audience. 3. Create a good profile. It is your business card. When a potential client is in search of a professional to hire for their services, they will be guided by the profile. 4. It is advisable to register on all websites you can to find job offers. It is essential in order to increase your chances of getting jobs. Register on as many platforms as possible so that potential customers may find you. 5. Find the right projects. After registering on different online sites, you will realize how popular and massive they are. You could waste a lot of time looking at all the jobs there, so it is necessary to develop a strategy for optimizing your search. 6. Knowing how much to charge for your work can be a real challenge. Whenever you must provide a price, make sure you understand all the tasks involved. If possible, do not send a price until talking to your customer to better understand all the details of the proposal. 7. Once you have been accepted as the freelancer for the work, the important thing now is to carry it out with the highest possible quality in the shortest time. Why do you want to make money with it? The benefits of being a freelancer are many and attractive. You keep 100% of the profits. When you work as a freelancer, all the income generated is for you. You can work anywhere. While working as a freelancer, you can set the location where you want to present your products or provide your services. You'll grow faster as a professional. When creating your own company, you are also willing to bear a bigger responsibility on your shoulders. This increased responsibility will require more of you. You determine your own success. Being proactive is certainly one of the weapons of successful people who know that, in order to reach the top in any area, it will depend largely on their own efforts. You'll never be fired. If you work as a freelancer, you will not experience the misfortune of being fired from your job. Your work will always succeed if you do it with dedication and effort. You will not have a boss. As a good boss can take you to success, a bad one can devastate your self-esteem and ruin you. With your own business, you are your own leader. No need to ask for a raise. If your business grows, your profits grow with it. How often does that happen in a regular job? You get to plan your holidays whenever you want. As a freelancer, you can choose the days you want to take as holidays without having to justify anything to anyone. You'll be happier. All this freedom gives you the opportunity of increasing your profits and making your name renowned. Being the master of your own time is certainly one of the keys to happiness. Shocking facts. Those who work as freelancers make more money than regular workers. Freelancers are likely to generate over $75,000 per year. There is an ample variety of business for independent work. The lesser-known companies offer most of the freelance jobs. Many freelance jobs available today did not exist 10 years ago. Almost half of all freelancers also have regular jobs. Planning your days in advance will make you become more productive. You are your own brand. Being a freelancer allows you to say no. Saying no is healthy at work and in life. You can use social networks. You learn how to manage your money. You manage your time. A freelancer gives feedback to their customers. A freelancer can plan task lists with goals for the day. With freelance work, you can learn how to eliminate distractions. Being a freelancer allows you to be in different places at once. 1 in 6 Americans is over 65, which does not allow them to find regular work. The United States is in the top 5 countries when it comes to the amount of freelancers. 30% of freelancers work more than 40 hours. 35% of freelancers are able to find regular customers.